Okay, guys, let's start talking about just the pH scale and what it is. This image was given us by the Pearson book, but it's just basically it's showing us the relationship between. We see here we have our hydrogen ion concentration, and this is our hydroxide ion concentration. One thing I'll point out, remember that when we look at these guys right here, kind of fuzzy, but you see those brackets. Basically what that means, that tells us that it's going to be the molarity. If you look at the unit down here, that is moles per liter, which is, we know this would be molarity. And what we see is as the hydrogen ion increases, so we see that it goes from a very small number down here at the bottom. Didn't want to do that, but it goes from a very small number down at the bottom to a little bit larger number at the top. So it goes all the way up to 1. And basically, as we increase the hydrogen ion concentration, it increases the acidity of it. And what we see is that as we increase toward our base or our hydroxide concentration, it's going to increase how basic it is. Basically, as one goes up, the other goes down. If we look on our pH scale, and this is what we're looking at here, is that basically we're looking at a very low pH is going to be something that's acidic. And you can see that there are some examples here of what's an acid. We see that we have HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, and it's towards the very low end of the pH scale. And basically on this one, it goes from 0 to 14. Now, what we say is 7 is going to be neutral. Remember that. So anything that is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to about 6.9, that's going to be acid. And then anything above 7 is going to be a base. Just make sure that we know that, and you can kind of look over some common acids and bases on this side over here.